Hello everyone, this is Snehit Reddy from ECE department 20 EC 128 from IIT Kharagpur. Okay, now I am going to show the internal parts of a phone. Okay, this is a Micromax old model phone. Now I am going to show you the inner parts of this. Okay, now I am going to open this. See, I am opening the innermost part of this, and it's the main part of this. Okay, now I have already opened this. Okay, these are the parts which we can easily observe, and we can make supports also. Okay, now I am explaining this. Okay, now I am going to say first thing is speaker. Okay, yeah, speaker is here. You can see, you can observe here, this is called speaker. The front part of, yeah, the uppermost part, this is called speaker. Here the speaker is present to hear by any voice. Okay, here for speaker is actually ear speaker or ringer, both are present. Actually these are two parts of phone. These are two parts will be appear for phone. For modern touchscreen phones, it will appear for two phones. Actually for modern touch screen phones, two parts will be there. Actually for this old model phone, both are same. Okay, now I am going to show mic. Okay, here this mic, yeah, this is called mic for the phone. And camera. Now, yeah, this is called camera. We can, yeah, I think you can observe this. This is called camera. We can easily capture. Okay, next display. Okay, display of the phone. And yeah, this is called display of the phone. And we have already discussed ringer. Next is charging port. Yeah, this is called charging port. Yeah, the charging pin will be inside here. This is called charging port. And this is called headphone jack. Okay, this is called headphone jack. Okay, this is called headphone jack. Headphones will be inserted here itself, where, okay, I will see, headphones will be injected here. Okay, headphones will be injected here. Okay, next one is battery. Okay, this is called battery. Okay, this is called battery. And next one is antenna. Antenna is present. Okay, this metal part is called antenna. Okay, I will show, wait, yeah, this metal part is called antenna, which is used for receiving the signals. And the next word I want to show is processor, CPU, the control processing unit, which is used for programming in the phone. Okay, this is called CPU. Okay, I have already shown this. Actually it is present in the phone. I will show, wait, yeah, here if we remove this sticker inside, if we remove this sticker, actually the sticker is made. If we remove the sticker, we can observe the CPU, which usually looks like this. Okay, which usually looks like this. Okay, wait, I'll show that. Yeah, this is called CPU. And next I want to show is memory. Wait, eMMC, which is used for storage data. Okay, internal or external data will be stored here. It is also present in the same beside of that CPU. Okay, yeah, here sticker is present. So beside of that, yeah, if we remove the sticker, we can observe the CPU and also memory. Yeah, this is CPU, and another one is memory. Okay, this is called memory. Okay, now I will join that and I will show it. Wait, okay, now I join that phone and I'll go like this. Okay, again, yeah, see here, if I close it, yeah, see, this is cover. If I can close this. Okay, yeah, I can close this like this. Okay, this is called model of the phone. This is Micromax, and I think these are expired nowadays. Yeah, thank you.